Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I have to say I admit defeat here with adding the controller port to the Nomad. This board here is a retro bit controller, and whatever chip is in here to drive the joystick circuit is joypad circuit is not the same as a actual Sega, because I can get one direction to work or one button to work, but as soon as I start to do two directions or three directions, it's not pulling the voltage down low enough. So I even pulled up the VCC pin on the controller chip here, and the onboard controls still work, but I can't get this. I mean, I can get like up to work or down or left, but as soon as I do anything more than one button on there, it's just, I don't know what's going on. It's just not, it doesn't drag it down. I've tried it with the Hyperkins, I've tried it with this Retrobit one, and this is, unfortunately, it's from 2017, so it's not an original Sega controller, and I don't have any original Sega controllers to try it with anyway, so I've spent so much time on this. It's not really worth it anymore. I'm going to have to just refund some money and put this back together again with the on-off for the LCD and move on from there. I tried. I think I've spent over 2 hours, 2.5 hours on this, and it's just not worth it anymore to try. So, sorry, Clint. I did my best. I'm gonna take this apart. Take this. I just have a few solder joints to pull off here, and I'm going to put this back together again. So the Nomad works just fine. It's just, I just can't get to work with the modern controller because it's not a discrete surface mounted chip. It's a glop top chip. I mean, I've replaced all the wiring 3 times. I've done every combination. I've trying to go one by one. I did up, and I got just up to work, and then I did down. I got just on to work. Hook up and down, can't get it to work. As soon as I hook up the enable line, it doesn't work. The mode selector doesn't work. So, no, I don't know what's going on. So, sorry about that. After a while, I just have to cut bait here, man. It's just too much. So I'll start putting this all together shortly. I'll probably do a video on that one shortly, but yeah, kind of give up. I did get in the new laser pickup for the CDX. Don't think I'm gonna have time to do that tonight, but I am gonna swap out the CDX tomorrow and test it first, then put the CDX back together again. And then this guy here is just putting it back together again. Unfortunately, I didn't have much time to work down in the workshop today. I've spent my entire time tonight just troubleshooting one by one, taking voltage measurements on this, trying to figure out what the pattern is. And what it is, as soon as I hook up 2 or more lines, it doesn't pull the circuit below 1.4 volts in the low state, and the Genesis doesn't recognize that. It's expecting like a 0.7 drop. 1.4 is just too high. So, okay. I think that's it for now. Just a real short video tonight. I'm going to start putting this back together. I get all the parts, and I'll start putting this back together again and desolder a couple little bits that are still on here, but nothing too thrilling to watch. So, it's already 10 o'clock here, so I have spent my time tonight trying to troubleshoot this, and it's just, I give up. Seriously, at least I got a nice controller out of Retrobit controller. I bought this myself just to test this out, and still, I have a Sega Genesis, so it's no big deal, but yeah, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone.